The generous bee. In a vibrant meadow, buzzing with life, a diligent bee named Bella tirelessly collected pollen from flowers. Bella possessed a heart full of generosity, always willing to share her precious nectar with those in need. She would flit from bloom to bloom, pollinating the flowers and gathering pollen to take back to the hive. But instead of hoarding her bounty, she would leave droplets of nectar behind for other creatures, a gift of sustenance and joy. The animals in the meadow were touched by Bella's selflessness. They marveled at her willingness to give, even when resources were scarce. Inspired by her example, they began to share their own abundance with one another. Soon, the meadow became a haven of generosity. Birds shared worms with the squirrels, butterflies shared nectar with the bees, and even the flowers released their sweet fragrance for all to enjoy. The meadow buzzed with a sense of unity and reciprocity. Bella's generous spirit had sparked a chain reaction of kindness and compassion. The animals learned that true abundance comes not from accumulation, but from the joy of giving and sharing with one another. As the meadow flourished under their collective care, Bella's legacy of generosity continued to inspire new generations of bees and animals, reminding them that the true measure of wealth lies in the warmth of their hearts and the connections they forge with one another. Please, like, share and follow. Thank you.